A journey through the history of Western classical music. The history of Western classical music is a rich and diverse tapestry that spans over a millennium. It has evolved through various eras, each marked by distinct styles, composers, and innovations. In this video, we'll embark on a journey through time, exploring the major eras of Western classical music, from the medieval period to the present day. 1. Medieval era. The roots of Western classical music can be traced back to the medieval era, a time when music was predominantly vocal and religious in nature. Gregorian chant, named after Pope Gregory I, was the predominant form of music during this period. Composers created monophonic melodies, focusing on sacred themes, and the music was predominantly performed in churches and monasteries. Notable works from this era include the Mass for the dedication of a church and Dies Irae. 2. Renaissance era. The Renaissance era marked a significant departure from the medieval period. Composers began to explore polyphony, creating intricate harmonies and complex musical structures. Composers like Palestrina are celebrated for their choral works. The invention of the printing press in the 15th century made music more widely accessible, leading to a flourishing of secular compositions. 3. Baroque era. The Baroque era was characterized by ornate, expressive, and highly structured music. It witnessed the birth of opera, with Claudio Monteverdi's L'Orfeo considered one of the earliest operatic masterpieces. Baroque composers like Johann Sebastian Bach, George Frederick Handel, and Antonio Vivaldi created intricate compositions featuring the use of the harpsichord and the development of the concerto form. Bach's Brandenburg concertos and Handel's Messiah are iconic works of this era. 4. Classical era. The classical era brought a shift towards clarity, balance, and simplicity in music. Composers such as Mozart, Beethoven, and Haydn embraced symphonic structures, sonata allegro form, and the piano as a central instrument. Mozart's The Marriage of Figaro and Beethoven's Symphony No. 9 are enduring classics from this era. The classical period laid the foundation for the symphonic and chamber music that followed. 5. Romantic era. The Romantic era was a time of emotional depth and individual expression. Composers like Schubert, Tchaikovsky, and Wagner created lush, passionate compositions. The symphony and opera continued to evolve, with Wagner's Tristan und Isolde and Tchaikovsky's Swan Lake showcasing the era's intense emotions and harmonic complexity. The piano became a prominent instrument in the works of composers like Frédéric Chopin and Franz Liszt. 6. 20th century and beyond. The 20th century witnessed a profound diversification of styles in Western classical music. Composers like Igor Stravinsky, Arnold Schoenberg, and Claude Debussy pushed the boundaries of tonality and structure. Stravinsky's The Rite of Spring revolutionized rhythm and meter, while Debussy's impressionist compositions like Clair de Lune explored new harmonic realms. Minimalism, experimentalism, and electronic music emerged, with composers like Philip Glass and John Cage pushing the envelope. The history of Western classical music is a testament to the enduring power of human creativity. From the ethereal chants of the medieval era to the avant-garde experiments of the 20th century, each era has left an indelible mark on the world of music. As we continue into the 21st century, Western classical music continues to evolve, drawing inspiration from its rich history while exploring new frontiers of sound and expression.